This is you. That is your home. This is your front door, and that is the lock on that front door. These are the people you let inside your home. The dog walker, the plumber, your two out-of-town friends, your little brother, and her. These are the two people you never let inside that door. One's a professional cat burglar. The other, your insane drunk ex-housemate. This one doesn't think he needs a key. And that one still has one. Let's face it, you don't have time to open the door for everyone. You can't actually, which is precisely why you have August. August is the lock that requires no key, only an invitation. An invitation that you can give and take away whenever you please. Keyless, codeless, and completely secure, August minds your entry when you cannot. You'll be alerted when your invitee arrives, and you'll know precisely when he leaves. No more racing home to let your out-of-town guests in. No more having to ask for keys back. Your lock recognizes you automatically and opens without you having to do a thing. And for your friends, you just create an invitation and press send. Grant access for a day, or a night, or a week, even a month. And take that access away whenever you like. August isn't connected to your wireless router or even your electrical service, so there's no risk of downtime or system failure. Plus, you can always still open your door the old-fashioned way if you like. You just don't have to. Secure, seamless, simple. August. You are invited.